Hello traders, it's time for summary. Today is Thursday, the 29th of January, and we had two live trading sessions today, and we made very nice profits of $5,000 during our live trading sessions. So I want to show you that. Also, we made few plans, and I got one stop loss, and I want to show you that also. We're gonna first start from Tomek's plans because Tomek joined our live trading session and he showed us his approach. And I want to show you that right now. Plan from Tomek was on GBP USD. He was waiting for the price to enter liquidity zone, after that trend line, and to enter the position, short position. And GBP USD, you can see this is 5 minutes time frame. Look what happened, guys. The price went through this trend line right here. It went down, retest the trend line, and boom. So there was opportunity for you guys also to open the trade to make some profit. So this plan worked perfectly. All right, let's have a look at the next one, also from Tomek. Euro USD to go up after breaking through this cluster right here. We can have a look at Euro USD, but I think the price didn't break through that cluster and the price dropped. So there was no chance to open the trade. Okay, that's fine. Sometimes, it happens like this. We make plans, but not every plan we can use from our live trading sessions. All right, so I want to show you my trades. Let's start from the morning. USD CAD basic buy. This trade, this plan was made during live trading session, and the trade was opened just right after the session because we were waiting for confirmation, and we got profit from that. Not full take profit because price didn't get to full take profit, but I was managed to make more than $1,000. So let's have a look. This is my account. And we can see trades, USD CAD, this one here. You can see that was the plan. That was the plan, and $1,288 from this trade. Pretty good. The other trade we opened this morning, we opened this trade on our morning session, Euro USD. Let's have a look at the plan. The plan was to get into liquidity zone from Asian session, simple trend line, simple setup basically. I've entered the position here with the stop loss and take profit 1, 2, 2. I moved it a little bit lower to get $5,000. So from this trade, I got $4,700 on live trading sessions, nearly $4,800. That was pretty good, but also I had one stop loss on crude oil. Here we were using order flow. We entered the position, simple setup, but unfortunately the price went opposite direction. But this setup was very low risk, and risk to reward 1 to 2. Sometimes it happens. Anyway, I still got profits of $5,000 today, so I think this is pretty good. Today we also made few different plans. We made plan on gold also. Let's have a look. This trade was activated, but I moved the stop loss to break even because the price dropped right here. Let me just show you. The price dropped here. There was reaction, perfect reaction. And there was move 1 to 2 already. So I moved the stop loss to break even, and then the price dropped. They dropped pretty heavy. I will show you. Gold done something amazing today. Look at this. Let me just clear the chart. Look what happened on gold. More than 4,000 pips. They went down 4,400 pips. That was pretty strong move down. Hopefully, you're gonna go up now. The price is slowly moving up. So yeah, gold is going crazy today, but that's okay. Tomorrow we're gonna look for some more opportunities. Let me just check if I had any more trades. This one here, that was Euro USD. This is also Euro USD, another plan, but the price went opposite direction, so that's fine. This was German 40 from yesterday. Okay, yeah, one more thing, guys. one more thing. Yesterday, we opened the trade during live trading session, and we got take profit. Yesterday, before news, I closed the trade because I'm not trading during the news. So German 30, this one here, our take profit was for $5,000. Sorry, for $2,500, but I had to close it before the news. So we nearly got to full take profit. Like you can see, I closed it somewhere around this area before news because we had some important high impact news. I had to close it. That was evening. Sorry, guys. That was evening before FOMC. So I closed it right here. And you can see later we had some FOMC. But anyway, that trade was pretty good. Maybe not full take profit, but we got nice profits. So guys, this week, every single day we got profits. We end up with profits. You can see these trades, 27, 23, 27, 28, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row take profits, and today we hit one stop loss. So I think this is pretty amazing. I want to show you also some statistics. Okay, daily loss, instrument performance. At the moment, gold is bringing us the most profits, then crude oil, Euro USD, GBP USD, and German 30. Okay, and we can check the strategy analysis. We can see which strategy is working the best. At the moment, ASAP 100% win rate, price action cycle 30% win rate, 50% basic buy, order flow 75% win rate, imbalance 66.7, smart money concept 50%, and basic sell 100% win ratio. So this is pretty good. Tomorrow, guys, I will show you the whole month probably. We're gonna go through the whole month. We did great job this month. Tomorrow, I will place the withdrawal on this account, and we're gonna start again from next month with the clear account. We're gonna start from the beginning. And by the end of the month, again, I will place withdrawal. So we're gonna place withdrawal every month by the end of the month. So, guys, if you like our live trading sessions, or maybe you didn't see our live trading sessions and you want to check how we trade, how we perform live, you can join us. We got 2 or 3 sessions every single week on YouTube, and the rest is internal for our community. So we got plenty of live trading sessions every single day, at least 2 live trading sessions, and on Sunday we got another one on crypto. So if you'd like to join us, find the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and if you want to see how we perform week by week. So that's it, guys, from me. Thank you for today. It was pleasure. And tomorrow, I would like to invite you to live trading session at 9 a.m. We're gonna look for some more profits, of course. So thank you, guys. I wish you all the best, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.